We're still getting to know our Wecreat Vision Laser Engraver, and we made this really cool tumbler. I probably won't sell these, but it was kind of fun to make, and I'll show you exactly how we did this. We're still learning, so if you have any tips and tricks, please hit us up in the comments below and let us know what you've learned about this thing. And also hit that subscribe and like button if you have a chance. So first thing you need to do is take these two screws out. There's two screws in the left rail if you're looking at it from the front. And there's this little peg in here, and it has a little hole, a receiving hole, so you know exactly where this goes, and it fits in there nicely. So it's always lined up perfectly. And then you take those two screws and put them back in. That will secure your rotary attachment. Very, very interesting assembly. It is kind of a pain to take the screws out every time, but if you're doing a lot of tumblers, just leave it in there, do them all at once, and you're good to go. And then this little attachment plugs into the back. You should make sure that your Wecreat Vision is powered off when you plug this in, because it will crash it if it's not. And this is your little chuck tool, and this is how you widen the holder, the little attachment that holds the cup in place. So you just twist this chuck. You loosen it first to get it on there, get your tumbler on there, and then tighten it up. Not too tight, just enough so you know it's not going anywhere. And then it should be able to spin freely. And what's nice about this, unlike my other laser engraver, is it has enough clearance for the handle. You could put tumblers with handles in here, and I couldn't do that with my old one, so that's a really nice improvement here. So you'll look at the settings here, and I have to flip it upside down because I have my tumbler the upside down mounted in this thing, and I measured it, and it comes out to about 254 millimeters. So you can type that measurement in here. It'll tell the perimeter. It automatically calculates the diameter, so you don't have to worry about that. I decided to scale this thing since I have 253 millimeters in circumference. I'm going to make this about 180. I don't want to go all the way around because obviously I don't want to engrave on the handle. That'd be kind of weird. So I wanted to make sure I had enough clearance. Then I set my power to 100% and speed at about 200. And we let it rip. And it did a great job, as you'll see in a second. I did do 2 passes. I wanted to make sure it was kind of deep so that when this thing goes through the dishwasher or whatnot, it won't come out. And it looks amazing. So here's the finished product. How cool is that? I mean, the detail is just impeccable. So you have to take your chuck and then loosen it up to take it out. And look at this. Look at the detail. It's just crisp, clean. It is a perfect engraving on a stainless steel cup. Amazing. Love this Wecreat Vision. Thanks for watching.